Hello, this is Minister Gaspard, and I am of Restoration Newlife Recovery Prayer Ministry. Some of you may have heard my ministry and my speaking on YouTube. Well, God have blessed me to uh, have hobbies, to get hobbies. And today I would like to come on with my Raggedy Ann jean backpack. And it is for children, little girls, or whatever the case may be there. These backpacks are, if you have jeans you don't know what to do with the jeans, you cut the material and make you um, a backpack, um, a backpack. You can do it if you have large jeans. I'm just kind of showing you how the back looks now. So it can open. You open it up and put your wet nuts in it. If you have stuff at home, material. If you crochet, I crochet, so I use the crocheting forms to what you call to put it together, and the yarn. You can see the yarn there for the hair. This is my red Raggedy Ann, and it is made out of what do you call jean material. So if you have some, you don't know what to do this. It's really fun, and I think that the children will get a bang out of it too. You see, you can make some for adults if you have adult material or jeans that you don't want anymore. You can do that, but this here is definitely for children, and it is a Raggedy Ann backpack. Now I want to put her face in, but she don't want to show. Here's another one that is made out of what do you call jeans. It is Raggedy Ann. It's my Raggedy Ann backpack. I just left it kind of rough. So this is the back of it. I added on what's it called to the back here. But I'm so afraid that the children will what you call get they would get hurt, correct? So I may take the buttons off, and as you can see, they're coming off anyway. So there, that's just a demonstration. I put a used glue on her face, and I used a lot of glue on her face. So um, you can also know that also that you can, if you like, to glue Raggedy Ann in certain parts, not in all parts, but in certain parts. I'm gonna hold her up, or you can, here's her top, or you can wear it like that, or you can wear it in a backpack form on your back. We don't want to act right for some reason, but I do want to demonstrate or show you just what I've been up to with my Raggedy Ann dolls making backpacks for the children. And school is back in, so I want you to know that by school being back in, this would probably come in popular again. I used glue even on some parts of her face, and this is what the sides look like. You can put a bow on each side, or you can leave it hanging, and the top also has it, or you can carry it as a handbag that there's someone out there that can do a lot better. But this is just what do you call, a, um, a show of what you can do with jeans that your children can no longer wear. Make them some backpacks, and they will enjoy it, especially with the dolls on it. I thought that it was really nice, really cool there to do. You can add bows. It depends on their age. I put buttons on there with the loops, so it's easy access, so they can just loop their dolls like so. Just loop them, and they're good to go. And most of this was handcraft, and it was hand sewn, so it doesn't take a lot to um, do your your dolls in your spare time when you're not working or volunteering in your community or whatever you do. You can make and something happen for your doll, or you can just leave it open, or you can button it, put the buttons on, however you want to do it. But those